Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to benefit from Moringa powder. We'll explore its impressive nutritional value and discuss easy ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Moringa is a superfood packed with essential nutrients, offering a simple path to enhanced health. Get ready to unlock the full potential of this amazing plant for your well-being. Moringa powder is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting an impressive array of vitamins and minerals. It offers more vitamin C than oranges and significantly more potassium than bananas. This plant also provides all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. Incorporating it can boost your daily nutrient intake effectively. Beyond its nutritional content, Moringa offers significant health advantages. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help manage various conditions. Studies suggest it supports healthy blood sugar levels and may contribute to lower cholesterol, benefiting your cardiovascular system. Regular consumption can truly enhance your body's natural defenses. Incorporating Moringa powder into your diet is incredibly simple. Start with 1 to 2 teaspoons daily, adding it to your favorite smoothies or fresh juices. You can also sprinkle it over salads, mix it into soups, or stir it into yogurt and oatmeal. Its mild, earthy flavor blends well, making it an easy addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.